Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Shorts today. Today we're actually going to show you a little bit of work happening. Right, here we go. Seem to be having a lot of trouble there welding onto that. I think maybe the surface is not the cleanest. Actually starting to go rusty already from only ground that away. Ground the paint off that yesterday, so might have to give it a bit of a clean before I have another go. But yes, as you can see, this is the battery box. Here's a bit that I did before. You can see fairly cleaned up nicely. We've done along this side as well. So when we're done, should be good. It's a good fit on that side and along here. It's a pretty good fit there. Once we push that in, it just needs pushing in. We use the magnets. On the back of here, I've got a piece of copper pipe crushed, just stuck on with magnets, try and stop the blow through. But even with that, you saw where I stayed on a bit too long on one of the welds there. It did blow through. Alright, well I'm going to just grind that bit back and see see if it's any good or if I need to do it again. Okay guys, getting a bit of weld there, making progress on this battery box. And here we have this side of the battery box, pretty much getting there. Might need another little grind, and the front here. So yeah, progress, nearly done from the outside at least.